Speaker, sir.
एक मिनट विजय एक मिनट 1 minute. Speaker sir, under Rule 49(1) of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business, I may be permitted to correct the reply to star question number 3B, sub question D to be read as annexure 3 instead of annexure 1. I may also be permitted to correct the reply to star LQ number 3C.
Speaker, sir. Speaker, sir. Speaker, sir. 1 minute. 1 minute. Speaker, sir, I may be permitted to make the following corrections in the star LQs uploaded on the e-assembly portal. Star LQ number 1B, annexure D and annexure E attached as reply to the star LQ number 1B is replaced with the corrected annexure D and the annexure E, and the same has been uploaded on the e-assembly portal and tabled in the House. Star LQ number 2B, the total expenditure on account of the national games replied at the sub-question E may be read as 736.87 lakhs 70,900 instead of 736.71 lakhs. Star LQ number 16A, the answer to the subsection D has been corrected, uploaded on the e-assembly portal and tabled in the House.
Yes.
We were asking that the reply should be given 48 hours prior. Speaker sir, the email was sent to the secretary on 5th, pointing out annexure E of LEQs 8A was not uploaded. The reply was not given. Simultaneously, the reply was uploaded and magir lokdo portal oil kado. Ata speaker sir, disappear zalo. Ata speaker sir, kizala ek amka annexure dilo of RDA. तेजो तुवें वो रीड करपा रिप्लाय कितें एक रिप्लाय कांय ना एक रिप्लाय जो स्पीकर सर हे एनेक्स 363 पेजेस जाला सीरियल नंबर बीन कांय ना आमी कॅल्क्युलेटर घेवन बसों पळय सी व्हाट आई वांट टू से इज दैट we'll be compelled to take a privilege motion against the department.
Direction dita.
Speaker sir, soda direction.
Or reply amka jana म्हाका लक्षांक आयला
Speaker sir, and now or reply amka aaj dila. Yesterday the question was put on the portal and it disappeared.
The heads.
It was changed. You have to give us answers 48 hours. BAC we spoke that anything apart from 48 hours would be postponed. Now just at the last minute at 11:25 we get this annexure.
Speaker sir, for the correction
responsible.
I have written an email yesterday officially. Officially we have written an email that the annexure was disappeared. As our the officers accountable.
But no, the heads of the department, they should be held responsible.
Otherwise we will move a breach of privilege next time.
Okay.
Speaker sir. Speaker sir, आज तारीख 7 काल सुटी आशिल्ली. Also the Goan म्हणटाचेर एक edit आयला. Tavadkar must explain charge against Gowde or allow discussion. Speaker sir, हांवें परते adjournment motion move केला. ना Speaker sir, एक minute. एकूच sentence वाचून दिता. By not allowing a debate on his own charge of misappropriation, Tavadkar has sent a wrong message unbecoming of a ceremonial head of the House. Not allowing a discussion on the issue meant that the speaker has buckled under political pressure. Speaker sir, एक minute. आम्ही मागता ते इतलेच. तुम्ही explain करा.
Speaker sir, under Rule 69, जेन्ना स्पीकराचे नाव भितर आसा तो जे जावपाक शकना डिस्कशन अशें कशें स्पीकर सर
Speaker sir, but speaker उलयला मरे मुखेलमंत्री speaker उलयला
रेफरन्स दिवन खंयचे सांगता
69 लागना 68
पेपरावेले घेवन
मुखेलमंत्री उलयला
सगळे बसून घेयात एक येस जे बसून घेयात
1B
ना कितें जालें आतां
1B
ना रुलिंग दी न्ही
उत्तर सभागृहाच्या पटलाचेर दवरलेलें आसा.
ना तुम्ही रुलिंग दिवचे पडटले हाजेर
या विशया संदर्भात आसपय न्ही म्हणजे तो म्हज्या स्थानीक त्या पंचायतीन तो विशय रेज केलो तो त्या विशया संदर्भात हांवें मातशें हे करतकच तो विशय हांगा आयलो त्यामुळे त्या वेळाचेर मंत्र्यांनी सांगला की आपूण त्या वेळाचेर चवकशी करपाक तयार आसा. मुख्यमंत्र्याक
चौकशी आतां जातली चौकशी जातली
स्पीकर सर
ज्युडिशियल इन्क्वायरी जाय
वो विषय क्वेश्चन रेज केला
ज्युडिशियल इन्क्वायरी जाय नाजाल्यार मॅच फिक्सिंग जातलें कसली चौकशी
क्वेश्चन तुम्ही रेज केला
चौकशी करतले स्पीकर सर हे फॅमिली मॅटर न्ही
Sir, as per the portal.
पब्लीक मनी इज इन्वॉल्ड.
स्टार्ट कशें 1B
ना रुलिंग दिया न्ही तुम्ही. नाजाल्यार फाल्यां हांव परतो मूव करतलो.
बरें, Speaker sir,
रुलिंग दिया तुम्ही.
I am going ahead with my 1B.
कितें म्हणटा एडजस्टमेंटाचे कितें रुलिंग दिता.
पयलीं सुवातेर
ताजेर डिस्कशन जातलें काय
जनरल मोशन जे आसा न्ही
हांगा तो टाइम वेस्ट करता.
एक लक्ष हांव सांगता एडजर्नमेंट मोशन आमी डिसअलाव केल्लें आसा कारण एक नियमानुसार एक दिसाक 2 हाडूंक शकना.
ना स्पीकर सर ना तशें न्ही ते हे प्रोसिजर सांगनाकात. तुम्ही डिस्कशन करतले काय इन्क्वायरी जातली.
स्पीकर सर तुम्हीच सांगपाक जाय तो कोण सांगपी. यू आर द हेड ऑफ द हाऊस.
यू मे बी हेड ऑफ द हाऊस. यू कांट स्पीक लाईक दिस. यू आर शूटिंग युअरसेल्फ इन द फूट. बरयल्लें आहा फुडें. स्पीकर
तो पेपराचो रेफरन्स घेवन सांगू शकना. अंडर रूल 69
स्पीकर सर रूल 69 मागीर आता 68 अंडर हांवें हे मागला.
Speaker sir, I would like to go with 1B. Speaker sir, पयलीं सुवातेर I would like to note down that काल हेज आन्सर 2 जाण 15 मिनटाचेर दनपारां हो आन्सर अपलोड जालो म्हाका. हेज्या पयलीं जाल्लो म्हाका मेळोना.
No.
बट इट वॉज अपलोडेड yesterday at 2:15. हांवें स्नॅपशॉट काडून लेजिस्लेटिव्ह डिपार्टमेंटाक धाडली आहा टू प्लेस इट ऑन रेकॉर्ड. सो इट इज अ ब्रीच ऑफ प्रिविलेज to give answers not even 24 hours before. It was just 21 or 20 hours before, Speaker sir. So saying that, Speaker sir, let me go ahead. It is already on record. Saying that, Speaker sir, जेन्ना हे जाबाब चोयताय आमी नॅशनल गेम्साचे तेन्ना स्पीकर सर म्हाका हमटी डमटी हे पोएट्री याद येलो. ते हमटी डमटी पोएट्री कितें आहा? हमटी डमटी सेट ऑन द वॉल, हमटी डमटी हॅड अ ग्रेट फॉल. सो हे हमटी डमटी सिच्युएशन जालो. हो हमटी डमटीचो राजा कहो स्पीकर सर. द वॉल मिन्स ताची राज्य आणि ताचे झूज पावर आणि सत्ते खातीर. सो स्पीकर सर आन्सर कितें मागला आनी कितें दिला स्पीकर सर. हेजे आन्सर जेन्ना मागला स्पीकर सर वी हॅव आस्क्ड स्पेसिफीक आन्सर आनी म्हाका क्वेश्चनाचे आन्सर मेळटा दॅट डेटेड with regards to the strategic knowledge partners, Speaker sir, of experienced and qualified expert professionals in the field of sports to help and enhance the sports. So हेजेर कितली पयशे मोडले आनी केन्ना हे एक्नॉलेज केल्लें. सो हेजे आन्सर मेळटा ऑन द 10th of August states that a technical bid for appointment of strategic knowledge and technical partner was put and it was opened on the 26th of July. 26th of July and its evaluation is under process. The reply further states, फाटले पेजीचे ताजी रिप्लाय म्हणटा की the financial bid is yet to be opened. Games commence जाल्यो end of October. क्वेश्चन मागलोलें गेल ते एलेक्युआक 10 ऑगस्टाचेर. रिप्लाय आयलो की 10 ऑगस्ट पुरसान ओनली द टेक्निकल बीड इज ओपन. फायनान्शियल बीड ओपन जालो ना. ताजी फाटल्यान समज एक 15 दीस फायनान्शियल बीड ओपन जाता उठता 45 days स्पीकर सर. आता 45 डेजान स्पीकर सर इतली कोट्यांनी पैसे आमी हे स्ट्रॅटेजीक पार्टनराक मोडले. सो माय स्पेसिफीक क्वेश्चन 45 डेजान हे स्ट्रॅटेजीक पार्टनरान आमकां कितें करून दाखयलें आनी हो स्ट्रॅटेजीक पार्टनर वेन वॉज ही अपॉइंटेड in order to get this 3.4 crores which was there, which was paid as also salary to staff 1 year before, and to whom this staff got this training. Into I club kit kala strategic partnerak कोट्यांनी पैसे दिल्ले 45 days मेळ्ळे. 45 डेजान तेगे कंट्रिब्युशन कित आशिल्लें आमगे स्टेटीक आनी थिंगा स्टाफाक सॅलरी घातलेली आहा. इन दॅट क्वेश्चन स्टाफा सॅलरी हॅज बीन शोन till up to March 31st, 2023. मुर्चे तुम्ही स्टाफा सॅलरी फॉर नॅशनल गेम्स केन्ना पुसान हारी करपा लागलेले. and this amount of salary 3.4 crores. So from when did you start paying the staff salary?
प्रश्न विचार तुमचो.
Prashna is very specific. When was the strategic partner appointed and how did he add value to our state in just 45 days of giving his partnership value? And the staff which was there, from when it was appointed and why were they paid till 31st March 2023? So this is my specific question.
पहिलो एक म्हणल्यार तुवें जें एलिगेशन केलें पळय न्ही दोन एक म्हणल्यार आन्सर अपलोडूच करूं नाशिल्ले. एक्चुअली आन्सर अपलोड केल्लें अशें फ्रायडे लास्ट. फक्त हांवें आत्तां मेन्शन केल्लें आसा. इट इज ओन्ली करेक्टेड. तुजो स्नॅपशॉट कितें मारून दवरलो पळय न्ही आमी करेक्टेड आन्सर काल दिल्लें आसा. करेक्टेड ऑलरेडी म्हाका दिसता मोर दॅन 100 hours पयलो आमी अपलोड केल्लें आशिल्लें.
I think on the floor of the house he should not say that allegation because it is already been given to the department. Department has acknowledged that there was nothing uploaded yesterday. And on the floor of the House, the minister is now lying,
Are-
replying to me saying it is an allegation. Speaker sir, he should accept that it was taken out and it was not there. Accept.
It is only
Don't say it
corrected.
is an allegation. There was no
I have
answer
given
at
a
all.
corrected figure.
You did not submit anything.
Speaker sir, I have given a corrected figure.
There was never
It was
anything
already
uploaded. काहीच असं ना.
uploaded. It was already uploaded on the Friday. I have only
असं
given a
ना.
corrected figure to you.
Speaker sir, let him accept and stop this allegation and let us continue with the reply to my answer because there was nothing that was uploaded yesterday till 2 o'clock. 2:15 upload झाला. Correct करू या correct करू नका. काहीच असं ना. It was all taken back, I understand.
Just now I mentioned before we have started this
It is
session.
not an allegation. It is the correct thing. You did not upload anything and you uploaded 21 hours. Accept it and go ahead.
स्ट्रॅटेजीक पार्टनराच्या संदर्भात तुवें जो प्रश्न म्हाका जो केल्लो आसा ताजें आमी काम कशें आशिल्लें assisting a core area heads of SAG in planning and devising the key deliverables, effective communication coordination with all the stakeholders, assisting SAG in addressing gaps during the implementation, provide training to FA heads, staff, volunteers, etc., creation of a standard operating procedure, SOPs, survey and feedback analysis, socio-economic impact of the national games on Goa. The estimated cost of the tender was almost 2.74 lakhs 35,000, inclusive of all GST. There were two bidders submitted online, the Natekar Sports Fitness and the Education Hub set. आणि हे सगळे काही H1 बेसिसाचेर ह्यो सगळ्यो काही गोष्टी सिलेक्ट करून हो एड्यू हब एज्युकेशन प्रायवेट लिमिटेड हेका दिल्लो आसा आणि सर्वे आणि फीडबॅक जो एनालिसीस रिपोर्ट जो आसा तो आमचो टोटल कंप्लीट आहा. तुका जर हो सर्वे रिपोर्ट जर कितें जर जाय एंटायर नॅशनल गेम्सा संदर्भात तेजे ट्रेनिंग
अपॉइंट केलं का म्हणून काही डेट सांगितल्या. When did you appoint? There is no record of when did you appoint in these answers. So when did you appoint?
I'll just give that. तुका ते डेट सोडून तुका आनी कितें जाय?
Was it 45 days before or was it 30 days before or was it 10 days before?
एक गोष्ट आमी सदांच लक्षात दवरपाक जाय की वी हॅव टेकन अ गव्हर्नमेंट अप्रुवल प्रायर टू गिवन द हे त्यांच्या ऑर्डर दिवपा खातीर की जी आमी ऑनलायन टेंडर केल्ली आसात ती टेंडर्स आमकां ऑक्वर्डर दिवपा खातीर आमकां परमिशन दिवचें अशें म्हणून आमी ऑलरेडी गव्हर्नमेंटाचें अप्रुवल घेतलें आसा आनी त्या प्रमाणे तांकां आमी ऑर्डर सुद्दां दिल्ली आशिल्ली. एक्झॅक्टली डेट हांव तुमकां दितां कितें आसा तें पूण सगळी लिस्टेड जी टेंडर सगळी नॅशनल रिगार्डींग टू द नॅशनल गेम्स कारण आमचे कडेन टायम नाशिल्लो आणि म्हणून काय कशें आसा एक टेंडर आमचे दोन टायम तीन टायम आमकां एक्सटेंड करचें पडलें आणि म्हणूनच ह्यो सगळ्यो कांय गोश्टी अरेंज जाल्ले आशिल्ल्यो पण वी हॅव टेकन अ प्रायर अप्रुवल फ्रॉम द गव्हर्नमेंट फॉर अलाविंग अस टू इश्यू अ वर्क ऑर्डर फॉर द एजन्सी हू हॅज बिडेड L1.
So, Speaker sir, there is no justification what the minister is trying to give us. The justification what we want to know. जी वस्त ह्या पयशांक 100 म्हयने लागता 100 म्हयने सपोर्ट जायो ती वस्त तो टेंडर कुछ डेटी गेल तो विचारना हांव विचारता इतली कोट्यांनी पयशे जस्ट फॉर 30 days 45 days and 45 डेजांनी कन्सल्टन्सी इतली व्हॅल्यू घेता 100 म्हयने पयलीं कन्सल्टन्सी गेली जाल्यार कितली घेता आशिल्लो त्या सॅलरी 10 कोटी घेता आशिल्लो 20 कोटी घेता आशिल्लो. So have you managed to get justification in just 30 days and 45 days with this company? Did they cover the scope and was it justified?
जे आमच्या टेंडरान जो स्कोप आशिल्लो तो एंटायरलो कवर अप केल्लो आसा आणि
कोण कवर अप जाता 3 म्हयने लागतात ती वस्त 30 दिसान 45 डेजान कवर अप जाता. सो त्या फ्लोर ऑफ द हाऊसाचे तुम्ही जस्टिफिकेशन
I
दाखोवपाचो.
will place the document. What this strategic partner has done. I'm having a document in my hand. The survey and the feedback analysis report. What has been taken place in every time during this conduction of the national games. And date of appointment is 1st September 2023. For your kind information.
But Speaker sir, salary he has to continue now with the salaries.
Yeah. हे satisfied मरे तुका जायला दिता हांव आणि जायला हांव पोर्टलाचेर अपलोड करता.
My satisfaction point with the minister is finally let him give answers and then we will want to have and we would want to demand to have a high level inquiry under a retired high court judge with all this first question what is answering because त्याने काहीच लिपवलं ना ताका काहीच प्रॉब्लेम ना तो दुधा सारको धवो हा. So he has to give me a confirmation that on this first question after he replies we will put up a high level inquiry under a retired high court judge. Give me the answer and then we will go for this.
नाही हाय कितें त्याचो उद्देश कितें उद्देश सांग मरे तू सांगता म्हणून हांव करूं
ना उद्देश असो
तू सांगता म्हणून हांव करूं
उद्देश इज सिंपल 31st March 2023 पुढ्यान तुवें स्टाफ सॅलरी दाखयल्ली आहा 21st March 2023. See.
2023 का 2024?
तुझं तीच डेट मागीर ते करेक्शन कर मरे तू 2024 म्हणून झाला 2024 इट इज स्टील 2024
नाही,
it is specifically written check your annexure. I'll give you your annexure. Annexure A, staff salary expenditure incurred up to 31st March 2023, and then further you have gone for an expenditure of another 69 lakhs, that is 1st April 2023 till date. Sure.
ऑलरेडी आमचे पयलू सुद्दां आज एक वर्सा पयलू न्ही.
पांच स्टाफा 2.69 crores आम्ही हारी केले.
अरे ऐक मरे
2023 मार्च.
see 221 स्टाफ जे आसा.
आन्सर दिवन न्ही आन्सर करू दी मागीर
स्पीकर सर, नॅशनल गेम्सा खातीर बरेचशे पयलू पासून सुद्दां स्टाफ जो आसा पळय ऑलरेडी रिक्रूट जाल्लो आशिल्लो. ज्या वेळाचेर नॅशनल गेम्स जातले म्हणल्यार त्या वेळाचेर सुद्दां आमचो स्टाफ ऑलरेडी आशिल्लो. आनी लास्ट मुमेंटाक आमी ऑलरेडी 47 स्टाफ घेतिल्लो आशिल्लो. एक्चुअली आमचो रिक्वायरमेंट आशिल्लो 221, बट आमी इतलो स्टाफ घेवना. आमी जितलो स्टाफ आमकां फ्रीज अप करपाक शकता तितलेच आमी भितर केल्लो आशिल्लो आनी 47 स्टाफ आमी घेतिल्लो आशिल्लो. तो जो फिगर तो ताका दिल्लो आसा तो म्हाका दिसता एंटायर जो आमचो नॅशनल गेम्सा म्हाका दिसता 5 वर्सां पयलू ज्या